Hello, good day. I'm Joseph J.S. Maur, and I'll perform the task on the topic radicals. We say that a square root radical is simplified or in its simplest form when the radicand has no square factors. A radical is also in the simplest form when the radicand is not a fraction. Example, 33, for example, has no square factors. Its factors are 3, 11, neither of which is a square number. Therefore, square root of 33 is in its simplest form. Example number 2. Extracting the square root, 18 has the square factor of 9. So 18 is equal to 9 times 2. Therefore, square root of 18 is not in its simplest form. So we have square root of 18 is equal to 9, or square root of 9 times 2. We may now extract or take out the square root of 9. Square root of 18 is equal to square root of 9 times 2 is equal to 3 square root of 2. So, square root of 18 is now simplified, and the radicand no longer has any square factors. So, in the example number 2, square root of AB is equal to, or the justification for taking out the square root of 9 is in the theorem, square root of AB is equal to square root of A times square root of B. The square root of a product is equal to the product of the square roots of each factor. We will prove that when we come to rational exponents. Here is a simple illustration. Square root of 100 is equal to square root of 4 times 25 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 25 is equal to 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Okay, as for square root of 9 times 2, then it is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, which is irrational. So 3 square root of 2. So example number 3, simplify square root of 75. So the solution will be square root of 75 is equal to square root of 25 times 3 is equal to 5 square root of 3. 75 has the square factor of 25, and the square root of 25 times 3 is equal to the square root of 25 times the square root of 3. So, square root of 75 is now simplified. So, in example number 4, simplify square root of 42. So, the solution, we have to factor 42 and see if it has any square factors. We can begin the factoring in any way. For example, 42 is equal to 6 times 7. We can continue to factor 6 as 2 times 3. So, but we cannot continue to factor 7 because 7 is a prime number. Therefore, 42 is equal to 2 times 3 times 7. We now see that 42 has no square factors because no factor is repeated. Compare example 1 and problem 2 of the previous lesson. So, square root of 42 is therefore in its simplest form. Okay, in example 5, simplify 180, or square root of 180. So, the solution, we must look for square factors, which will be factors that are repeated. So, 180 is equal to 2 times 90, or 2 times 2 times 45, or 2 times 2 times 9 times 5, or 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Therefore, square root of 180 is equal to 2 times 3 square root of 5, 6 square root of 5. So, this is our final answer. So, that's all.